Hi, I'm Mrs. Jennifer Drudge and I'm the Science Department Chair at Carmel High School. We keep it pretty easy here in science. All freshmen have to take biology. So what I wanted to do today was really just share some of the topics we cover in biology and talk about the difference between our regular biology curriculum and our honors biology curriculum. So the topics that will be covered in biology include things like biochemistry, cell structure and transport, cellular energy, cell cycle, DNA and protein synthesis, meiosis and variation, genetics, evolution, and ecology. One of the really cool things that students are going to have the opportunity to do in biology is a lot of hands-on activities. We do a project-based learning unit in the spring over ecology, where we really get the kids to take some ownership and dive into ecology in a different way than what they've learned their other topics for the year. And we find that really valuable for kids in learning how to collaborate with others, how to present, and how to do some of those skills we want kids to be able to continue to do throughout high school. Just to give you a little bit of an idea of what one of those units might look like, I'm going to take the cell structure and transport unit and just talk about some of the standards that are covered during that unit. So this is for regular biology. Some of the standards covered include developing and using models that illustrate how a cell membrane regulates the uptake of materials essential for growth and survival, while removing or preventing harmful waste materials from accumulating through the processes of active and passive transport. Developing and using models to illustrate how specialized structures within cells, such as nuclei, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, interact to produce, modify, and transport proteins, and develop and use a model to illustrate the hierarchical organization of interacting systems, such as cells, tissues, organ systems, that provide specific functions within multicellular organisms. The difference between the regular biology class and honors biology is how much depth we go into in each of these topics. Honors is going to require a little bit more reading out of the textbook. The textbook level is written at an even higher level than the regular textbook is written at, and it really requires students to put in some additional time outside of the school day, or even more additional time outside the school day than what regular biology requires. So if you're trying to decide between regular and honors biology, talk to your teachers, talk to your counselors, and they'll help you make a good decision. We do offer one other science class that students can take as an elective during their freshman year. So if you're a student who really loves science and you are considering the public health field, a class that you might want to take, or medical field, a class you might want to take is called Principles of Biomedical Science. The biomedical sciences for Project Lead the Way have 4 courses available. If you start as a freshman and you enjoy the program, you could take 4 years of the program. And those 4 courses are: the freshman year is Principles of Biomedical Science, the second year is Human Body Systems, the third year is Medical Interventions, and the fourth year is Biomedical Innovations. Project Lead the Way biomedical science students are empowered to explore and find solutions to some of today's most pressing medical challenges. Students will investigate topics including human medicine, physiology, genetics, microbiology, and public health. Over the course of the year, students are challenged in various scenarios, investigating a crime scene, diagnosing and proposing treatment to patients, tracking down and containing a medical outbreak, and collaborating with others to design solutions to local and global medical problems. One of the things you have to be sure of if you want to sign up for this course is that you really are engaged and interested in biology. You also really need to be a self-motivated learner, have the grit to continue to try to find solutions, enjoy research, and enjoy collaborating and presenting. Those are the courses, so everyone will take biology, either regular biology or honors biology. And if you want a science elective, the science elective that you can take your freshman year is Principles of Biomedical Science.